Well, this is an excellent place to be if you want to talk to other people in the industry, if you want to share experiences, if you want to learn more, if you want to really have a better understanding of the industry in general. And for me, it's a chance to learn and to do not make mistakes that I don't need to because I learned with people here that already went through that. Besides networking, fantastic people to know, fantastic content. So it's excellent, and that's what brings me here, and that's what gonna keep me bringing to meetings like that, to events like that.
In janitorial, from my experience at least, there's not a lot of community and camaraderie amongst commercial janitorial companies, right? And so I did some research and found this business growth strategies event, and really just looking to learn from other people in the industry. That are either in same markets or different markets, small, large, and really just network. And so far, it's been awesome.
Like we needed something fresh in our company. We need to take it to the next level, and I'm excited to see what other companies have to bring here, and as well as the presenters, so that I can take that back, we can take that back, and grow the next 35 years in the business.
As Bill said, we've been around for 35 years, but 35 years doesn't mean that you can stop growing. It means that you have to continue and you have to do new things to be able to do that. So it was great getting to listen to some talks on AI, things that we're not utilizing enough right now, and that our industry is new to using. And it's really exciting hearing some of the ways that some of the people here have been expanding on it so that we can take from that and bring it back home.